Che poi uno sud kotion tradilas rota.
Kodiotarana sit isa.
Exie ultratan.
Daemon Targaryen from House of the Dragon is a great and ruthless warrior. Our talented, contributing 3D artist has brilliantly captured the character's recognizable appearance. Daemon can be printed with 3 different head variations. The character's head is protected by a dragon-like winged helmet. The Daemon Targaryen bust mesmerizes with its sophistication and attention to detail. The knight's armor is crafted with shocking precision and high skills. Each chainmail tile has been individually crafted by the 3D artist. In the warrior's left hand is an incredibly detailed Targaryen shield with a dragon sigil